Hi, welcome to Fox ERP video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to manage suppliers in Fox ERP. A supplier is a party from whom we purchase goods or services. To create a new supplier in your Fox ERP account, type New Supplier in the Awesome bar. Enter supplier name, let's say Hubble Incorporated, select Supplier Group, select Supplier Type. And then, Save Supplier. These are the transactions that can be created for the supplier. In the Supplier Master, you can set various defaults like currency, price list, etc. You can also set the supplier's credit details and other tax-related details here. You can also manage address, contact, and other default in the Supplier Master. You can set a custom payable account for this supplier here if needed. By default, supplier naming is done based on the supplier name. To have Supplier ID generated based on the series, go to Buying Settings, and in the field Supplier Naming by select Naming Series. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.